Hello students, I think you have watched the first PPT of the chapter Federalism. Now you know that federalism is a system of government in which powers are shared between different levels of the government according to the constitution. The power sharing is according to the constitution in a federalism. Okay. Federalism in India refers to relations between the central and the states of the Union of India. The Constitution of India establishes the structure of the Indian government. In Indian federalism, there are three levels of government. First level, union government, that is also known as central government, state government, and the third level is local government. There are two types of local government, municipalities and panchayat. In small towns and small cities, it is known as municipal council. We call it Nagar Palika. In big cities, it is known as municipal corporation or Nagar Parishad. Panchayat at district level, it is called Zila Parishad. And block level or Tehsil level, it is known as Janpad Panchayat, and at village level, it is called Gram Panchayat. Let's learn what makes India a federal country. After an insufferable partition, India emerged as an independent nation. Soon after independence, several princely states became a part of the country. Indian Constitution declared India as a union of states. Indian Union is based on the principles of federalism. In the beginning, there were only two levels of government, the central and the state governments. Later, a third tier of federation was added in the form of panchayat and municipalities. Okay, beta? The threefold distribution of legislative powers. Beta, as per Article 264 of the Indian Constitution, the division of power between the central government and the state governments is done in a threefold distribution of powers. Means the system of distribution of powers between central government and state government. It is mentioned in the three lists which are included in the Constitution. The three lists are union list, state list, and concurrent list. Let's learn in detail about union list. Union list includes subjects of national interest like defense, banking, communication, railways, airways, currency, and export and import. This list has these subjects because of a need for uniform laws on these matters throughout the country. The laws on these subjects can be framed only by the union government. State list. This list contains subjects of regional importance like police, public health, education, agriculture, irrigation, roadways, and toll tax. On these subjects, the state government alone has the authority to make laws because these subjects are of regional interest only. The third list is concurrent list. This list contains subjects like marriage, adoption, succession, newspapers, printing press, and nomadic tribes. These subjects are of both regional and national interest. Both levels of government have power to legislate on these subjects. If ever their laws conflict with each other, the laws made by the union government will prevail. So in this list, we can see that union government is given more powers. Let's learn this with an example. If a person is not satisfied with the decision given by the local or the high court, that he can approach to the Supreme Court. and if the decision of the Supreme Court vary, then its decision will be considered the final decision. So these are the threefold distribution of legislative powers. More features of federalism in India. We will learn some more features of Indian federalism. First of all, we are going to learn about residuary powers. Residuary powers are those powers which can be enjoyed by the Parliament only. Parliament has this exclusive power to make laws on the subjects which are not included in the union list or the state list. In India, Parliament used this power to make laws on the subjects like computer software. India has holding together federation. Beta, you all are knowing about the system of holding together federation. In that type of federation, the country is divided into several states. And you all are knowing that India is divided into 28 states. So India has holding together federation. Central government enjoys more powers than state government. In the case of concurrent list and the residuary powers, you have seen that the central government enjoys more powers than state governments. All the states do not enjoy equal status. Some states are given special status, which helps them to get more financial help from the center for their development. The 7 northeastern states, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, these states are given special status. On the other hand, some units of administration are too small to become an independent state, but they couldn't be merged with any of the existing state. These units like Lakshadweep and Chandigarh are called union territories. You are knowing that in India there are 9 union territories. Okay, and the central government has special power to govern these areas, means these union territories. Representation in the parliament vary from one state to another. UP, being the largest state in the terms of population, has 80 MPs and Rajasthan 20 MPs in Lok Sabha. On the other side, Goa has only 2 MPs in the Lok Sabha. Okay, the parliament can't on its own change the arrangement of power sharing. If it is required, any change is required in this arrangement, then it is necessary for the parliament to take consent of more than 50% state governments. The judiciary plays an important role in overseeing the implementation of constitutional provisions and procedures. In case of dispute about the power sharing, the High Courts and the Supreme Court make a decision. Thank you beta listening me. Okay, watch the video carefully.